Your Minton floor is more than just tile. It's a piece of Edinburgh's history. But over time, dirt builds up and the colours fade. And if you're not careful, DIY cleaning can cause permanent damage. It's frustrating. You want to restore its beauty, but who can you trust? Well, general cleaners often lack the tools and experience to work on delicate encaustic tile work. That's where we come in. We use precision methods designed for heritage surfaces like yours. We bring back the colour, clarity and protection that lasts. Minton floors are a beautiful feature in any home, and they deserve specialist care. They're not just tile, they're a work of art, and just like any work of art, they need to be treated with care. So let us take care of your Minton floors so you can sit back and enjoy the beauty of your home. Because at the end of the day, it's not just about cleaning, it's about preserving a piece of history